So I would sit there and I would race him to the end of his problem. I would sit there and I would listen to the problem statement and I would start typing out the Python code that was necessary to solve the problem. And I bring that up because you can brute force most probability problems, right? Like, you know, not every problem, but and I don't even want to say like 80%, but a good majority of probability problems, you can brute force your way to an answer, right? You can sit there and you can write the iterative loops to go through a problem, right? So that was one of the exercises I used to do. I can't believe I forgot this, but I used to sit there for hours on end, just going from video to video to video, and I would race him and I would try to get to an answer before he gave the answer on the screen, right? And I would sit there and I would try to write the code for the same math problem that he's showing you how to do, right? Because some of the math can be quite involved in probabilities, right? And when you get into like some really complex probabilities problems, like the math gets like way out there, right? But you can brute force it, right? There are ways to brute force problems. You can write your own Monte Carlo style simulations to get to an answer. So I would do that and I would race him for the end of the video.